In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and maximize your Coinbase account. The journey to a fully functioning Coinbase account is straightforward, but involves a few critical steps. Let's walk through them together, starting with logging in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Coinbase website. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If not, go through the sign up process and ensure that you keep your login information somewhere secure. Once you're in, the first place you'll navigate to is the settings area. You'll find this option easily in the menu, and it serves as the gateway to configuring your account just the way you want it. Within the settings, look for the Accounts section. This is where you'll manage basic information about your account, and it's important in ensuring everything is set up correctly. An essential part of this step is to verify your email and phone number. Verification helps in securing your account and allows Coinbase to communicate with you effectively. You should receive verification prompts upon attempting this, guiding you to enter codes sent to your email or phone. Another crucial step for account setup is to upload your ID for identity verification. Under the Verify Identity section, you can easily upload a picture of your identification document. This might feel like a hassle, but it's a security measure that helps confirm you are indeed the person opening or using the account. It also unlocks certain features in Coinbase, as verified accounts have fewer restrictions compared to unverified ones. Next, you'll want to set up your payment methods, which can be done under the Payment Methods tab. Here you can add your bank account or debit card. Linking a payment method is fundamental as it allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the platform seamlessly. Ensure you follow any instructions provided by your bank for linking accounts, which might involve confirming small deposit amounts. For an added layer of security, it's highly recommended to enable two-step verification. You can do this in the Security tab. This step involves adding another layer of authentication each time you log in, usually by sending a code to your phone that you'll need to enter on the site. This means even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without that extra piece of information, greatly increasing your security. Once your account is set up correctly, consider making small purchases to build a bit of transaction history. These small transactions are beneficial because they help establish a record with Coinbase. Over time, this approach can lead to an automatic increase in your buying limits as Coinbase recognizes your account's activity patterns. Remember, patience is key here. The limit increase might not happen overnight. By following these steps, you're well on your way to fully utilizing all the benefits that come with a Coinbase account. Happy trading and stay secure.